Hello and welcome back to my channel. I got the opportunity to make a few kits for the Mother Goose mini album. So if you like that project, that Mother Goose mini album, and you want to make exactly the same thing, then here is your chance. I made a kit for you. Stay tuned. So what's inside the kit? I made just a little present. That's just because I have so little of this. I only have 10 kits. So it's really limited edition. So I have just a little gift for you inside here. Just from me to you. And so what's inside? First of all, you see a little welcome note and just a very little few measurements, but that is no needed because during the tutorial I give you all of the measurements you need. So this is just a welcome for the kit. Then what else is in the kit? There is a little bag you find, and you find that ribbon where I made the closure with all the metal things, the brads, the swing tabs, the eyelets, even a few magnets in here, the twine, everything you saw in that video of that mini album, you saw that I used, it's in your kit. Then I have 2 envelopes. I use also 2 envelopes. You saw me using a few tags which I made with my own punch, so I added them too. Then we come to the paper. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, here is even 14 papers, but you get 13 papers of Mother Goose. Then we have that bookbinder linen. We have the journaling pages. I printed them out for you. We have the chipboard. It's a bit measured, so be aware that one side is measured already for you. It's not the correct sizes, but I want to leave you a few left to make those swing tabs. So it's not completely perfectly measured, but just a little. So pay attention on that. Then I added some black and white and design paper in it. Music, the black and white dots. So everything you saw that I used in that kit, in that album, is included. Only one thing not. I can't say that enough. There was one thing that was not included in this kit, and I just can't provide you that because then the package is way too heavy and I use so much of it, and that is the cardstock. The reason why I do not add cardstock is because it's personal. If you do like using your album with white, then you can use white. If you want to use your photo mats for another color, perhaps red or green, then you can use red or green. I don't use that. I did not use that. So yeah, for me that is not an option because I use so much cardstock. Then it's for me not doable to add that. So that is not included in the kit. It's never be. So I can't say that enough. I just had an argument with someone, so I can't tell you that enough. And I did always tell you that in the kits there is no cardstock included. Only design paper, chipboard, bookbinder linen. And here there's graphic 45 12 by 12 sheets, the black and white papers, the ribbon, twine, envelopes, journal papers for the journal, eyelets, brad, swing tabs, and the punch tags. And yeah, just a little gift for me. Okay, so that is included this kit. So if you do like this mini album and you do like to go along with me doing the tutorials, then just email me or send me a personal message to my Facebook, and perhaps you are one of the 10 persons who are lucky. Alright, so thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you do like this mini album, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.